Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check your orders and shopping activity on Instagram when you're using Kajao to manage your store. First, when a customer taps Buy Now on one of your products, they can add the item to their cart, choose the delivery option, and confirm the order. After that, they'll fill in their contact information and tap Order. At this point, they also need to attach their proof of payment. Once the payment slip is uploaded, the system will mark the order as Pending Payment Confirmation. This is normal because online sellers have to manually approve the payment on their side. If you want to view your orders yourself, the process is simple. Start by logging into Kajao. On the main page, choose the option that says Manage Page and Auto Response System. Select the store you want to check, then select Manage. After entering the store dashboard, click on Orders. You'll see different channels where your orders might come from. Choose the Instagram channel. Once you're inside, you'll see a list of orders placed through Instagram. Click on any order number to open it, and the full order details will appear, including the items, customer information, payment slip, and current status. And that's it. That's how you check your Instagram orders and shopping activity inside Kajao. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.